Hi guys, this is Dr. Shudha. Today I want to say something out of topic, okay? Actually, we all know that at present we are passing a very critical and tough time, and yet we don't know when the situation will become normal or how we will be able to move our normal life. Till then, our main duty is to keep ourselves happy, healthy, okay? And that's why we don't feel depression. So if we really want to feel motivated, or if we want to feel positive, then we should have think in positively. I mean, everyone should have a positive thinking in themselves, so that they can move forward, so that they don't stop at this time. And that's why we all also have some responsibility to keep ourselves fit, not only physically but also mentally. And for mental happiness, we need to have some motivational speech. It's true. And actually, no matter what, you can't avoid what is coming forward to happen. And today's world is facing a very critical moment, critical time, and it is defined by Almighty, we all know. So we can't ignore it, we can just disobey it, okay? And we all should be more cautious about ourselves, about our future. If you think positively, it has also some positive thought, okay? Because that's our statesmen, especially the person who are the head of our state, they will recognize that what the adequate steps should be taken for for the future of the country, okay? So everything is for good, not only that bad will come, good also come with the bad, okay? So that's why I want to suggest you all that please keep positive, keep thinking that this bad time will over and some good time will come, okay? Moreover, there is nothing to do, there is no alternative thinking positive. And it's true that it's not so easy to think positive all the time, but remember, every bad situation always brings a good and wonderful news, okay? So to hear that good news, at least you should have patience, you should be more motivated, thinking positively, etc, etc. So I will suggest, please don't feel mesmerized, don't get bored. You don't know that how much lucky you are. There are many people who are not able to eat even, so you are much more lucky than them. So please have patience and have faith on Almighty that this time will over and some good time will come very soon.